This is Chad Rosebrook with your Legacy Grain Report for Tuesday, March 15th. Well, turnaround Tuesday is in full effect today with beans and wheat trading lower, although we did have corn unchanged. So we'll dig into that here in a little bit and see why that is. If we have to point the finger at anything for the reason being for beans and wheat to be trading lower today, all we have to do is look at what the greater commodity index did as a whole. And we can see that we had a little bit of money leaving the index. And if you recall, that greater commodity index includes commodities like wheat and beans and oil. And we saw the oil trade quite a bit lower today, and kind of led the way for beans and wheat to follow. So beans and wheat traded lower, but corn finished right around unchanged. And the big reason for that was we still have quite a bit of speculative fund money in our corn market. And currently they are short the market. So that means they're going to have to be buyers to offset their positions. And so even though we had the greater commodity index trading lower, those hedge funds were buyers in our market, which helped corn maintain its current level. So as we see these hedge funds buy into their positions and even themselves out, we will see little mini rallies in the market, but keep in mind those mini rallies will be capped by a lot of farmers selling that's still taking place. So as we're at these higher levels, a lot of farmers are taking advantage of that and advantage of these mini rallies and selling into them, which is offsetting any sort of a gain we'll get by those funds being buyers in the market. Also, too, today may be affecting the beans. We saw the Brazilian real weaken by about 2.5% today. So anytime the real weakens in relation to the dollar, that's also going to put some downward pressure on beans. But all in all, for a turnaround Tuesday, for a weaker day, being down only 3 or 4 cents really isn't that big of a deal. So we'll see how the rest of the week trades out. This has been Chad Rosebrook with your Legacy Grain Report for Tuesday, March 15th.